With the FrameReady 12 update, one of the new features that is now available to you is HTML email templates. These emails currently are only available within the context file, allowing you to send direct emails to your customers regarding upcoming events and sales. In order to make these work, there are a few things you will need to do outside of FrameReady to prepare for your template. The most important thing you will need to prepare outside of FrameReady is the HTML code that will become your email message. For those with no experience writing code, there is a specific kind of HTML editor that will assist you. WYSIWYG stands for What You See is What You Get, and that means you can create your layout and it will create the appropriate code that goes with it. There are many different editors to choose from, including simple browser-based editors to high-end applications with many different features that can help you create these layouts. For our lesson today, we will use a basic online browser editor. The editor we are using today has two sides, the design side and a code side. On the design side, you'll see similar features that would be used in a basic word processing application. We will be making a stationary design in our lesson today. A simple header and footer with text in between is a good layout to have because it can be used for many email messages. You will need the following to be able to complete this design: images for your header and footer saved to an online image directory, and a URL to connect to them. A list of merge fields you would like to use in your email template. Commonly used merge fields include customer name and your business information. Linked in the description of this video is a PDF with our most commonly used fields. If you also have a text file you will copy the merge fields from, add in the important code doctype HTML. The details regarding this will be explained later. Having this information in an easy-to-access place is highly recommended as you will be referring to it as you complete the template. Start with the header of the design. Click the image button to insert and it will ask for the source. The source is the URL we prepared ahead of time for the image. Add this URL in the requested field. You can select the image and choose to align it as needed. This gives a uniform look across all methods of viewing the email, such as cell phone or desktop browser. As we are creating a letter format for this template, we'll create a stationary greeting. This is where our merge fields will come in handy. On the design side, we'll type in the text of the greeting. Use copy and paste to add the merge fields to the text. Below the greeting, you have several options depending on what will help you to remember best. The first paragraph is the instructions for yourself or any employees that will use this in the future. The second and third paragraph have filler text that we can delete or change as needed. The text of your message will appear between a pair of bracketed code for the HTML template. If it does not appear between these codes, it can affect how it is visualized when you send the email. The last step is to add the footer. Repeat the steps for adding the header. Insert the image with the URL for the image, and choose the align that suits your design. This is your completed template. Now we will use the code side of the editor to copy the code into the HTML template within FrameReady. Select all of the lines on the code side of the editor and copy. We'll be moving back to FrameReady. Go into the Contact Options tab and select Edit Email Messages. To create a new HTML template, first click on the HTML Template tab. Click the plus icon to create the new template. The layout will be similar to the plain text templates. You can enter a name for the template at the top. The second field is the subject line for the email. Our sample will be greetings from your business name. Instead of copying the merge fields from our list, FrameReady will add the fields on its own. Start to type the greeting. When you're ready to add your business name, click on the button to the right of the field and it will add the merge field automatically. Moving on to the last field in this template, we'll first notate that this is going to be an HTML template when we send it to the email program. We do this by adding our doc type code as the first line. On the second line, paste in the code from the editor. Now you have a completed HTML template. When you go to send an email from the context file, you can select this template from a list of templates you have created. It will automatically fill in the information in your merge fields. You can preview the email that you will send by clicking the preview button before sending. These steps can be applied to many designs. We recommend that if you are interested in learning more about creating email designs, that you learn from some of the many great teachers available online. There are numerous resources available that can provide you with more training. We're excited to provide you with more ways to simplify and improve your business. Sending emails with HTML in FrameReady is just one of the ways we're here to help you. If you have any further questions or ideas you'd like to suggest, please feel free to reach out to us via our support hotline, email, or our Facebook. These will be linked in the video description. Thank you and have a wonderful day.